Guys, did you know that the cocoa powder you use in your sweets can be really healthy for you? Well, I certainly didn't. And I'm not talking about the sugary processed kind, but pure cocoa powder. That is what we are taking a look at in today's video. Hi guys! I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel with our Food Fundamentals series. In this video, we are talking about cocoa powder and its health benefits. Cocoa is generally associated with making chocolate and sweets. Cocoa powder is widely used around the world for baked goods and cookies. You can also add cocoa powder to your smoothies, oatmeal or granola. You can drink a hot or cold cocoa drink or eat dark chocolate that is not sweetened. Whichever way you choose, you will feel the benefits. Cocoa powder is not just delicious, your health can benefit from it too. But be careful and always check the nutrients on the box, because a lot of cocoa powders are sweetened with sugar. Always opt for sugar-free or low in sugar cocoa powder. Cocoa is rich in carbs, protein and dietary fiber, so it provides energy to the body. First of all, cocoa powder is rich in polyphenols, which is a type of antioxidant that is linked to several health benefits. Actually, cocoa has higher antioxidant levels than green tea and red wine. Polyphenols are linked to several health benefits. They can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol level. Antioxidants in cocoa can also improve brain health. They enhance the blood flow in the brain. Antioxidants can also improve cardiovascular and heart health. They can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is, unfortunately, the leading cause of death in the world. Eating cocoa powder is also associated with improving insulin sensitivity and blood sugar level. It can reduce the risk of diabetes and insulin resistance. Cocoa powder can aid digestion because of the antioxidants and the dietary fiber in it. It can reduce constipation and bloating and reduce any digestive issues. Cocoa is rich in minerals like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and calcium. It is also a great source of zinc, iron and sodium. These minerals are essential for many processes in the body and unfortunately a lot of people are deficient in them. If you consume enough cocoa powder, you can reduce the risk of illnesses that can come with this deficiency. Potassium and magnesium are important for heart health and our bones need calcium to be strong and healthy. Zinc can aid a healthy immune system and iron produces hemoglobin. Cocoa can also have a beneficial effect on cancer cells and have anti-cancer benefits. Studies show that it can reduce the risk of colon cancer. Last but not least, cocoa and even dark chocolate can help with weight control. Studies show that people who eat dark chocolate or cocoa regularly have a lower BMI than those who don't. Cocoa also gives energy and reduces appetite. This can give you the feeling of fullness. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also share it with a friend who might like it as well. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos for you guys regularly. Until the next one, bye! At Bites Fitness, our mission is to become and stay healthy together with you. And we provide health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.